Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to collapse down my browser for a moment, and I'll head back to my preview tab here. I hope you still have your preview tab open. And how it's working for our cartoon robot here is, maybe you can see this. You'll definitely be able to see this on your end, but it might be kind of hard to see in the video here. But there's a very light, a very faint gray border all the way around my graphic, all the way around my cartoon. And then, of course, there's the text at the bottom. Here's Jeff's caption, right, which we typed in earlier. Well, maybe I decide down the road that I want to get rid of this gray border and I want to get rid of that caption. How can I do that? Well, we can do that through the post editor. So let's go and do that. So I'll flip back to WordPress and I'll crank out my browser window once again. And there's two pieces of code that I want to get rid of here inside the HTML editor. And the first piece of code is this block here, where it starts with the open square bracket caption ID equals, and then where it ends with the whatever your caption was, and then the close quote, and then the close square bracket. That's your first block there. Select all of that, no more, no less, and then hit your delete key on your keyboard. That's the first piece gone. Second piece is going to be where the caption actually ends. You'll see there square bracket / caption close square bracket. Grab that little bit, delete that as well. Okay, I think we're looking good here. Give me a moment here, and we will click on update to update our post. Wait for that post to update there. Head back to our preview. Remember how to refresh your browser? Command R here on the Mac or Control R on the Windows side. Okay, great. The border's gone, that faint gray border, and that caption text below. Very cool stuff. So your images are always editable, either in the visual editor or in that HTML editor. Okay, wonderful stuff. Let's go and do one more thing. I want to get rid of this graphic because we're going to go and insert a different graphic. So head back to WordPress, head back to your visual editor there. Maybe what I should do is I should crank this open a little bit so we can see our visual editor a bit better. Click on that visual editor tab. Remember how to delete a graphic, right? Select them there and use your delete icon. That's all there is to it. Okay, at this point, go ahead and save your post by clicking on the update button over on the right-hand side. And let's go and insert a graphic via a URL.